In this video, we look at dual reflective window films. Dual reflective window film is outstanding tint that can solve all of your sun-related problems. It reduces heat and glare, blocks UV rays, slows interior fading, and can provide daytime privacy. It's the most popular of all our solar control window films and the #1 choice to reduce heat and glare. 6 of the top 8 best films to reduce heat and glare are one of our DR window films. We have 2 lines of dual reflective film with 8 shades to choose from. 5 shades of DR gray and 3 shades of DR amber. DR gray and DR amber differ in appearance and performance. DR gray films are more reflective and better at blocking heat with a relaxing gray hue. DR amber films are a soft brown color, are less reflective, and offer better nighttime visibility. Visible light transmission is the amount of light that passes through the film. Glare reduction is the amount of light a film blocks. It's the opposite of visible light transmission. The film's number is roughly the amount of visible light transmission. Films with higher numbers allow more light to pass through than darker films with low numbers. Our DR gray films have 5 visible light transmissions. From left to right, 5, 15, 20, 30, and 40%. DR amber films have 3. From right to left, 15, 25, and 35%. In this picture, from left to right are DR amber 15, DR gray 05, and DR gray 15. DR gray 15 and DR amber 15 are about 15% visible light transmission. Both reduce glare about 85%. DR gray 05, the film in the middle, allows 5% of the visible light to pass through and cuts glare 95%. For a frame of reference, typical sunglasses are 12% visible light transmission. An important feature of dual reflective window films is the low interior reflectance. The main benefit is better nighttime visibility. DR amber window films have the lowest interior reflectance and best nighttime visibility of all our window films. DR gray films are a little more reflective but block more daytime heat. If you want the best heat reduction, get a DR gray. For the best nighttime visibility, choose DR amber. If you need samples, we'll send you free samples. If you have any questions, call us Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Time at 951-600-1515 or email us via the contact form on our website. IdealTint.com is #1 for do-it-yourself window film.